Good morning. This is Sakis Paraskevov, Senior Fundamental Analyst at IronFX, bringing you the morning comment for the 26th of April. Bank of Japan should act now. Japanese Prime Minister Abe's economic advisor, Etsuro Honda, said that the Bank of Japan should act as early as this week if it wants to be preemptive. He expects the Bank of Japan to raise both its bond and ETF purchases, but to leave the bank's benchmark rate unchanged, as the policy of negative interest rates has not gained the support of Japan's businesses and households. We believe that Honda's comments are not to be taken lightly, as he was among the few market participants to predict the surprise rate cut back in January. Additionally, the government announced a supplementary budget yesterday, expected to be unveiled around the middle of May. We believe that both of these developments raise the likelihood for policymakers to take action at the upcoming meeting. Nevertheless, USD yen traded in a sideways mode yesterday, as a slide in global equities may have kept JPY from weakening further due to its safe haven status. This enhances our view that the effects of any further easing by the Bank of Japan on Japanese yen may be short-lived, as the currency seems to be more responsive to changes in global risk sentiment rather than changes in Japanese monetary policy. On top of that, the bank may have started reaching its limits on how far it can influence market behavior with its stimulus measures. As for today, the most important release will be the US durable goods orders for March. Expectations are for both the headline and the core figures to have risen following sharp falls in February. A potential rise in durable goods orders is supported by a surge in civilian aircraft orders during March and the new orders component of the ISM manufacturing PMI for the same month. Furthermore, an improvement in the global growth outlook and the dollar weakness in March may have boosted exports. The Conference Board Consumer Confidence Index and the preliminary market services PMI, both for April, are also coming out. Additionally, we get the S&P Shiller House Price Index for February. None of these indicators are usually major market mover, and net-net, should this data come to the upside, we see the bulls staying in favor of the USD. As for the speakers, we have 4 speakers scheduled for today: ECB President Mario Draghi, ECB Vice President Vitor Constancio, ECB Governing Council member Jens Weidmann, and Bank of Canada Governor Stefan Poloz speak during the day. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com or download our app and get all the information you need to trade delivered directly to you. Also, you can follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Sakis Paraskevov, Senior Fundamental Analyst at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.